Welcome back to Channel Auto Driver Hub, where we explore legendary machines' performance history, innovation and future-inspired engineering together. The F-14 Tomcat remains one of the most iconic aircraft ever created, and even in 2025 its legacy continues to dominate conversations about power, design, and unmatched aerial capability. Although the F-14 officially retired from active United States Navy service years ago, its influence has never faded. In 2025, the F-14 Tomcat stands as a symbol of peak Cold War engineering, a benchmark against which modern fighter concepts are still measured, and a machine that continues to inspire aviation enthusiasts, engineers, filmmakers, and defense analysts worldwide. The heart of the F-14 Tomcat's legend lies in its variable sweep-wing design. This feature allowed the aircraft to adapt dynamically to different flight conditions. At lower speeds, the wings could extend outward to provide superior lift and stability during takeoff, landing, and carrier operations. At high speeds, the wings swept back to reduce drag and enable supersonic performance. Even today, this engineering solution is admired for its complexity and effectiveness, making the Tomcat instantly recognizable in the sky or on a carrier deck. In terms of power, the F-14 was built to dominate long-range air combat. Powered by twin afterburning turbofan engines, it delivered raw thrust capable of pushing the aircraft beyond Mach 2. This immense power allowed the Tomcat to intercept enemy aircraft far from carrier groups, a role it performed with confidence and authority. By 2025 standards, the engine technology may seem dated, but the performance envelope it achieved remains impressive even when compared to many modern fighters. One of the most groundbreaking features of the F-14 Tomcat was its advanced radar and weapons integration. The aircraft was designed around the AWG-9 radar system, which could track multiple targets simultaneously at extreme distances. This radar worked in coordination with long-range air-to-air missiles, enabling the Tomcat to engage several enemy aircraft before they even knew it was present. This capability redefined fleet defense and established the F-14 as a guardian of naval strike groups. The cockpit of the F-14 was another defining feature. Unlike single-seat fighters, the Tomcat employed a two-person crew consisting of a pilot and a radar intercept officer. This division of labor allowed for better situational awareness and more effective management of complex combat scenarios. Even in 2025, aviation experts point to this crew configuration as a reminder that technology and human teamwork together often outperform automation alone. Structurally, the F-14 was built for durability. Carrier operations are among the most demanding environments for any aircraft, and the Tomcat was engineered to withstand repeated high-stress landings and launches. Its reinforced landing gear, arrestor hook system, and robust airframe allowed it to operate reliably from aircraft carriers across the globe. This toughness contributed significantly to its long service life and legendary reputation. Beyond combat performance, the F-14 Tomcat also made a powerful cultural impact. Its aggressive stance, wide wings, and twin tails gave it a commanding presence that captured public imagination. By 2025, the aircraft remains a star of documentaries, airshows, and aviation museums. Its role in popular media helped introduce generations to naval aviation and inspired countless individuals to pursue careers in aerospace and defense. From a technological perspective, the F-14 represents a fascinating bridge between analog and